Alright guys, so guys, I'm going to show you how to actually add GitHub to your cPanel. So basically I have a Laravel project here that I actually want to build, and I'm going to add it to GitHub so that I can I can actually build from local, then push to production, then it kind of like reflects. So I'm going to walk you through it. So the first thing is that get a hosting provider. So if you are in Nigeria or Africa, you can actually go for Go54, which is the same thing as Google Host. They're one of the best guys out there. As you can see, I'm going to choose one of these things. So the kind of app I'm building is just, I'm going to pick this one, this order now, like this that I have right here. I'm going to pick this one here, this other now, and have some domains, as you can see. So make sure you have an account with them. So I have some domains. I'll come to my domains. So just wait a second, let it load. So you can see this one here, it says choose a domain for this 8 gig hosting. So I'll just click on choose. I'll choose my existing domain and update my name servers. That's good. Then I'll come straight to my domains. So here are my domains like this. So I'll just come and choose one domain right here. So I'll choose this domain, this my space security. So basically, the client that actually gave me this project to build hasn't decided on the name. So I'm just using one of my domains that I've actually worked with, or that I have that I'm not using. So I want to use it for the project. So I'll just hold on. I'll just copy this stuff right here, and I'll come here and I'll paste it here. So here is the com. So I'll use it. Okay, so since I'm going to use it, all right, so I need to pay for it. So I'm going to be doing it monthly. You can do quarterly, you can do semi-annually, anyone your preferred choice, but I'll be doing it monthly. So I'll click on continue. Okay, click on continue. So I'll just wait for it to load. So the goal is to make sure I connect my Laravel project to GitHub. So I can just be pushing from my GitHub, from my project to production. So I don't need to go to the file manager and start all those long stress. All right, so I will proceed. I'll click on here and I'll proceed to checkout. So Ghost is one of the best hosting provider. I suggest you check them out. It's very affordable. The security is top notch. I use them for almost all my projects, and Google's is even the one actually even powering my promosphere right here. So as you can see, Google's. So I hosted the front end with Vercel, and I hosted the back end with Google Host. So I like Google Host a lot. Alright, so I'll click on, you can choose your subscription. I'll click on pay now. Alright, so I have my phone here with me, then I'll pay right now. Five three 722. And I'm paying 2799. Okay, so I've actually paid already. So let's just wait a bit. So good. So I have paid. right now. So I was talking about my promosphere, right? So Ugos is one also in the back end. So you can actually promote your goods for free on this platform. So here we have my promo talk. You can do talk about discussions and all like that, you know. So let's head back here. So since I've paid already, so I'm going to wait for a very short while. So here is the project I want to deploy. So this is it. It's just a very uh, big app, you know. At least this is what the person said they want to build admin to make a post on his website, event occurs via Zoom. So I'm going to have to build all of this stuff right here. But, you know, it's easy, right? It's not difficult at all. So I have to build it today. So why is everything slow? All right, so I am good to go. Okay, so what next? Let me just wait for it. I'll go back to the client, or I'll go back to my services. So I'll go to my services right there. All right, so there are my services. All right, so I'll just go and locate, you know, just go and locate it. So I think it should be around. Should be around. All right, so this is it. So this is it right here. So I'll click on it, Spec Security. So while I click on it, so it's actually very good because most time Laravel developers do go and change on production page, which is very dangerous. You know, it's not good. It's better you do your work on local, then you know you push to production, then you know you are good to go. So yeah, I have it right here. So I'll just locate my cPanel. This is it. I'll click on my cPanel then. So that's the first part. Then I'll do the second part. And please make sure you push your production to Git, your code to GitHub, right? So I've already pushed this stuff here to my GitHub. As you can see, I pushed to GitHub right here. So I'll stop the video for now.